Live from Palm Beach Gardens, it's the Market Update Educated Guessing Show. And filling in for your host, PK, is Sammy Schwartz. Here. Shalom, shalom, shalom. PK isn't here. He's late. Where is he? We don't know where is this Sammy Schwartz here. Listen to his music. We got Hava Nagila. Now wait a minute. We're not here at the temple. We're here for the update. Let me turn this music down and we will try. Shalom, everybody. Wish all my my Jewish friends out there. Hey, we're going to talk about a few things until PK gets back here. You know, he should be here soon, hopefully. Listen, I want to tell you that in our Jewish culture, we're raised to, number one, never pay retail. That's right, never pay retail. That's one of the things we grew up with. Our parents drill into our brains, number one. And number two, we always love to make a deal. We love to make a deal. It's just in our culture, so please don't be offended. It's just part of who we are. So, of course, what does this bring us to? It brings us to the gold and silver. Let me get this. This is bothering me. I can barely talk. And look, I know PK mentioned last week about the gold and silver going down. You saw what happened on Monday. The gold and silver have dropped, and they continue to go lower. I came back a little bit as I see. In fact, the gold really has come back. I show 1775. Look, we in the Jewish culture, we love gold and silver. But I think PK has mentioned this is not the place to go to be buying that gold and silver right now. So, anyway, the call, I believe, let's see, wait a minute. I think PK is coming in. Is that you, PK? Hey, 1 second a minute. What's going on? 1 second. I think I hear PK coming in. Sammy Schwartz, what the hell are you doing? You're not supposed to be doing the show. Hold on a second. What the hell are you doing? What? I don't understand. What the heck are you trying to pull me here, Sammy? Your job is to introduce me, not, it's like a greeter, like a Walmart greeter. You're supposed to greet me. Hold on 1 second. Let me change the microphone and give it to me so I can get back on the show here and finish this thing. Look, thank you, Sammy Schwartz, for filling in for me, giving us a little of that Jewish history. Nothing wrong with that. Thank you. And here we are. Okay, guys, here we go. PK here. As you remember, I want to thank Sammy Schwartz. Look, he did a hell of a job. He tried. He's not too look. He's not for the stage that we know. Anyway, so let me take my glasses off and see where the heck we're at. I think Sammy, you mentioned about the gold and silver going down, right? You did, didn't you? All right. Anyway. Let's see. So, look, I want to welcome everybody back for our Market Update Educated Guessing Show. Sorry I'm late. Had a flat tire getting here to the studio. So, as I mentioned, I'm going to stay with that call as Sam mentioned for me. The gold and silver is going lower. I want to get long, you guys know, but to me, we're still in a downtrend. So, let's move forward. The call for again this week is lower. So gold 1775, I see. The silver is at around 2380. We're talking about the September futures contract in the silver, and the gold is in the August contract. But the big call is lower. Again this week, I got that one right. Let's go to what's next here. Next is Bitcoin. Look, PK must be on a roll. I called last week's show. Bitcoin is going to go higher, and look what happened. We went to 48,000. Right now we're about, I think, on the Friday in the futures exchange on the CME, it closed at 46,505. Again, my call is higher in the Bitcoin. Another one, let's see, we got that one right. Let's go over to some of those Reddit stocks. 1 second, let's see where the heck I'm at here. Where the hell is the thing? Okay. Here we go. Okay. GameStop, I had no call, but I'm going to, you know what? I'm sticking my neck out. I think GameStop's going up. That's the call for this week. AMC, I made a call last week, is going higher. It's slightly higher. I'm going to call AMC a push. I called last week for higher, but again, this week's call for AMC is higher. I think these two, they look great. You know, the GameStop for the last few weeks, you guys have been watching. I've not made a call on the GameStop, but now I am. Both these stocks, I like them on the long side. They're going higher. And let's talk about the stock index feed. Oh, excuse me, we got the Amazon and the Tesla. What about that? Where the hell is it? Oh my God. Jeez, this computer. 1 second here. Okay, look. I believe I have to go to my notes here. I said that last week Amazon would go lower. It went lower. And my call again is down for the Amazon. This one, I still think it's going lower. We're in a solid downtrend. Of course, I like to go long these things, but we're very far away, I think, from a buy in the Amazon. We need much more time to go on. And then let's talk about the Tesla. Last week, I said it'd go higher, and higher it went. I mean, look, I think since it's my 5th episode, PK, I'm really hitting it out of the park this week on this. Finally, it's about time these things started working out. Remember, I told you to always focus on the direction, because you want to get the direction, and when you get the direction right, this is when we all make our most money. Stop going for 3 to 1, 2 to 1. You want to hold on to these things if you have conviction of the direction. And the last thing we'll talk about quickly is what happened with the stock index futures. Look, I said they go lower. I did stick my neck out last week, and the ES broke to a new high, so I call this a loser. PK got this one wrong. And on the NQ, it was about a push. It did come off a little bit, so I'm going to call it kind of a mix. But you know what, though? I'm going to say it's a loser. Let's call it what it is. You know, it's certainly not a winner. The NQ was a push. The ES SP 500 was a loser. So let's take a look. So how did PK do? Let's kind of recap. Well, I got the gold and silver right. I got the Bitcoin right, 2 right. I got the Amazon right, that's going down. I got the Tesla right, that's going up, and the AMC is going up. So I got 2. I got 4 right. 5 right. I'll say 1.5 losses. I got the ES one wrong, and the half is the break even on the NQ. And as again, PK, what I will tell you for this episode is just to wrap it up is let's recap. Gold and silver lower. I'm sticking my. These are the calls. Bitcoin is going higher. Amazon lower. Tesla's going higher. AMC, and I'm also adding GameStop. It's going higher. These are my calls. Next week for the market, you know what? Again, I still don't see this uptrend, even though I've been wrong, and I don't like to pick toss, but I'm gonna still look for a sell. If I get with some momentum type signal or some weakness, again, I see the weakness. You guys see in the NASDAQ, we see this weakness happening in the NQ. So I'm gonna again say down for the stock market, stock index futures. So anyway, again, I want to thank Sammy Schwartz. He tried to do a good job in the beginning for me. He tried to cover my ass, and what can I say? He's in the right place. He's an assistant, and that's it. So I wish everyone a great trading week. Let's all make some money. We'll see how we do this week. It's PK with Out of the Box. Until next week's show. Ciao, everybody.